Hello guys, welcome to the video number 2 of photosynthesis in higher plants. In this video, I will discuss another 15 most important questions about photosynthesis. So keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Question number 16. The color of light that is not utilized during photosynthesis is violet color, green color, red color, blue color. So correct answer is option B. Green color is not utilized during the process of photosynthesis. So correct answer is option B. Question number 17. During the process of photosynthesis, the raw material used are glucose, chlorophyll, starch, carbon dioxide, and water. So, correct answer is option D. Carbon dioxide and water are used as a raw material during the process of photosynthesis. Question number 18. Name the scientist who first pointed out that plants purify foul air by Bell-jar experiment. Will Stater, Robert Hooke, Joseph Priestley, Lynn Senibeer. So correct answer is option C. Joseph Priestley for the first time pointed out that plants purify the foul air by Bell-jar experiment. Question number 19. Of the total amount of water absorbed by the plant, its actual percentage used during the photosynthesis is 50%, 90%, 1%, 25%. So correct answer is option C. Up to 1% of total amount of water is utilized during the process of photosynthesis in plants. Question number 20. It is the only green part of the plant which take part in respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis, osmosis. So correct answer is option C. Only the green plant of the part of the plant takes part in the photosynthesis process. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने फोटोसिंथेसिस की पहली वीडियो नहीं देखी तो वीडियो भी देख लें। उसका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Mole's experiment explain that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Option B. Chlorophyll and water are necessary for photosynthesis. Option C. Light and water are essential for photosynthesis. Option D. All of the above are correct. So correct answer is option A. Mole's experiment about photosynthesis explain that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a significance of photosynthesis? Option A. Glucose synthesis for most of the consumer. Option B. Increase in greenhouse effect. Option C. Provide O2 for the synthesis of ozone umbrella. Option D. Provide O2 for cellular respiration. So correct answer is option B. Increase in greenhouse effect is not a significance of photosynthesis, while the remaining glucose synthesis provide oxygen for ozone umbrella as well as synthesis of ozone. In addition to this, it also provide O2 for cellular respiration. So correct answer is option B. Question number 23. Oxygen during photosynthesis comes from the water. This was proved by oxygen 18 experiment. This experiment was done by Rubin and Kamin and Hills. Option C. Warburg. Option D. Blackman. So correct answer is option A. Rubin and Kamin performed the experiment by using isotope oxygen 18 to prove that oxygen during the photosynthesis actually comes from the water. Question number 24. Name of the scientist who pointed out the importance of different wavelength of light using a green algae and aerobic bacteria. Joseph Priestley, Ingenhousz, K.V. Thiemann, Engelmann. So correct answer is option D. Engelmann pointed out the importance of different wavelengths of light using a green algae as well as aerobic bacteria. Question number 25. The conversion of sugar into alcohol during fermentation is due to the direct action of temperature, microorganisms, concentration of sugar solution, enzyme zymase. So correct answer is option D. During the fermentation process, alcohol sugar is converted into alcohol by the direct action of enzyme zymase. Question number 26. The conversion of light energy into chemical energy within the plant body was first stated by Mayer and Anderson, Kelvin, Robert Mayer, Willstatter, and Stoll. So correct answer is option C. The conversion of light energy into chemical energy within the plant was first of all described by Robert Mayer. Question number 28. Which of the following category of photosynthetic plants possesses minimum transpiration ratio? C3 plants, C4 plants, CAM plants, all of the above. So correct answer is option C. CAM plants have minimum transpiration ratio. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. The most effective wavelength of visible light in photosynthesis in the region of which of the following? Green, yellow, red, violet. So correct answer is option C. The most effective wavelength of visible light for photosynthesis is in the red region. Question number 30. The radiant energy is stored in form of chemical energy in NADP, stored food, RNA, DNA. So correct answer is option C. The radiant energy is stored in form of chemical energy in RNA molecules. So correct answer is option सी. तो ये थे 30 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट फोटोसिंथेसिस. अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे.